Okay, this is an unboxing of a Monsio bag I ordered like over a year ago. All right, it's finally here. I'm also transferring files for a new position, so I need to be in here to wiggle the mouse like all the time because it's not going to work out well if the computer goes to sleep. And I still don't have a GoPro. I'm going to do my best. All right. This is hard. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I think it's... Oh, I didn't know what the hardware would be. I mean, since there's not too much visible hardware, it's fine that it's gold. I prefer silver. Maybe of my 18 subscribers, maybe there's like one that watches. Hi, Laura. So you might remember I prefer kind of like silver hardware rather than gold, but this is fine. It's cute. It's cute. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, there's a tag here. Oh, and it says how to take care of it. That's cool. All right. Then in here, all right, it's got, these are to make it a backpack. Got two of them. I wanted to get the laptop case, but I don't know, like it wasn't an option by the time I ordered. Cool. And then I think there's like there's going to be another, okay, a lot of stuffing. I think there's going to be another strap to make it crossbody. Let's see. Lots of stuffing. I guess there's just the backpack? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So that's the inside. All right. Film this way too. All right. Seems sturdy. All right. Let's see. Okay, so there's the kind of handbag, or I don't know if it's big enough for it to be shoulder bag. But I know there's supposed to be like... Oh, here, wait, is this something? What is this? There's a bag here. Okay, and there's like a pocket here. It seems like the bag in here is like stuck. I'm afraid to pull on it. Do you see? Like it feels like it's really stuck here. Huh. Seems like it's attached. Huh. I don't get it. Oh, Velcros. Oh, okay. Velcros, and then I can have a bag here, and if I don't want to use the bag, I roll it up and put it here. So maybe maybe these straps, it's like either a backpack and you use two of them, or it's like a shoulder or crossbody bag and you use one of them. That is my hypothesis. And then they have, yeah, the little thing of how to like maintain it, or like how to take care of the leather. All right, well, I'll play more with it later. But here's this side. I should film that. And on the bottom, oh, it's got feet. That's cool. I like the feet. All right, hopefully I'll put feet on my bag. There will be more progress with my bag too. Oh, and there's something here. What is this? I should wiggle this mouse for my computer. I don't know what this is. Maybe to attach it to something. I know there's supposed to be something for a water bottle too. But it's an okay bag. Looks all right. All right. So I guess that's it for now. As soon as I got a virtual job, the this arrived. Oh, there's this bag here. Or this zippy here. Let's see what this does. Oh, I'm having a hard time zipping, but then I got it. I don't know. I'm not sure what goes in here. Or it's just an option of, you could just put something there. I don't know if there's something you're supposed to put there. But yeah, it's cute. I despite that I'm making something with leather now, y'all can tell I'm not an expert by any means. I think it's real leather, and that's why I ultimately chose this one, because this one didn't have a version of, vegan leather in another color, because I was afraid they would pull a switcheroo on me. So yeah, that's what it is. I guess to keep it shape, I should put that stuffing back in for now, but there it is. Monsio bag. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bye.